Okay, today what we're going to look at is converting measurement and using ratio reasoning. Sometimes it's not going to be the best way to use proportions, but for right now, I do want to set up a proportion so that you know what we're talking about. They have Deshaun bought 32 ounces of nuts at the store. How much is this in pounds? They're giving you the table. They said use the table below and include the correct unit in your answer. So here we have that 16 ounces weighs the same as 1 pound. So that's good to know that we do have that 16 ounces would equal 1 pound. So what we're going to do is set up a proportion, and because we do know that we have 1 pound would be equivalent to 16 ounces, I could change the 1 pound to 16 ounces or the 16 ounces to 1 pound, and that would be equaling 1. That would be the same unit as far as the weight is concerned. And then we do want to set up a proportion. So we are going to set up a proportion here. This is part of our proportion. And if we talk about what a proportion actually is, simply stated, a proportion is just going to be two ratios or fractions that are equivalent. They'll be equal. So because they gave us the information that 1 pound equals 16 ounces, what we need to find out now is if Deshaun purchased 32 ounces, we want to know how many pounds that would be. And we have historically been using the parentheses so that we would find out what we're going to actually put in the parentheses so we could get from 1 pound to X pounds. How do we get from 16 ounces to 32 ounces? Well, we're going to say that we are going to multiply. We will be multiplying, so we'll use our dot for multiplication. And what would we multiply? Well, we're going to multiply by 2 over 2 because 16 times 2 will give us our 32 ounces, and then 1 times 2 will give us our X value, and our X value is going to be 2 pounds. Therefore, X is going to equal 2 pounds, and that would be your answer. That would be your answer.